Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 27, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Cardano. This is what we do. We make sure that we dominate the cryptocurrency space by getting in position and predicting price movement so that we can win. And we do this all in a way that's not confusing. We don't give you any pointless indicators. And also we don't look at articles to try to gauge where price is going to go. We just simply look at the price bars and the volume. And if you all want to learn that, if you all want to get in a position and win right alongside with us, then make sure you follow us. You do that by liking the video, subscribing, sharing the video. Also, we got a join button that you can grab one of our perks to make sure that you're able to call the market with us and you're able to participate with us in our live stream lookout sessions that we do on the weekend. So now, I wanted to talk to you all about this article real quick that came out yesterday on You Today, May the 26th, 2021. And Charles, he gives 3 reasons why Cardano is going to be better than Ethereum 2.0. So as I conclude this video, I want you all to drop the comment in the comment section and tell me if you are in agreement with Charles in the sense that Cardano is better than Ethereum. Now, these are the 3 reasons down here. Okay. Governance, interoperability, and user bases. These are the 3 reasons Charles is telling the world that Cardano is better than Ethereum, and it is branded as the Ethereum killer. Now, this is what Charles told Yahoo Finance, that Ethereum is actually killing itself, not vice versa, by it replacing their current proof of work blockchain with a new proof of stake blockchain. This is how Ethereum is killing itself. Right now, the Cardano creator says that Ethereum 2.0 has bowed out on governance, which will make it hard for the ecosystem to evolve once its founders retire or lose prominence. Charles also mentioned that Bitcoin, which he compares to the wood power steam engine, old technology, as an example of a system that is evolving way too slowly. And then he also points out that allowing on-chain governance is a vital part of his project's roadmap. He says that Ethereum is less interoperable than protocols like Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos that make special provisions for sidechains. And that will have a big impact in the cryptocurrency space for varying different protocols, blockchains to communicate, to interoperate with one another. Ethereum can't do that yet, right? He also claims that Ethereum 2.0 and Cardano have very different user bases. People use these 2 blockchains for varying different reasons. And one of them is that Cardano is trying to bring millions of people in Africa on their blockchain, and Ethereum doesn't care about that, right? So tell me, drop the comment section, let me know if you think these are the 3 major reasons as to why Cardano is better than Ethereum. So now let's break this down though. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video if y'all want to catch up and read the rest of that article. But in terms of this is what we're worried about. You know, we're worried about where the price in Cardano is going to go. We make sure that we get in a position and we win into the market and dominate this space so that we can take the bag. All right. So you can see it's been about 3 or 4 days that we did our last video in Cardano on May the 24th, 2021. And we played a strength into the market. You guys can clearly tell we call the market. We expected it to go higher. And that is precisely what this currency has done. It went higher. 17.5% right there. If it were to get out slightly right now, we'd be around 19.75% profitability. Done. Okay. So take a look at this. This is what the market in Cardano is currently giving us. We've identified the overall trend in Cardano is higher, and we're still seeing the market trade above our ascend line. So check that off. We're still good. You know, the market is still geared and hyped to continue to see higher price movement. We haven't broken this trend. So the long-term purview in the market in Cardano is still a higher price, right? Secondly, we've created this restriction area into the market in Cardano We broke that. This is the current nearest term area restriction right there. All right. This is where the market in Cardano is finding issues of breaking price above. So that simply tells you that there's more selling going on around $1.80, $1.82 than there are buyers. This is going to be our area of support. So let's see if we can make a determination as to where the market support currently is in Cardano. It's very hard to distinguish where that support area is, but it's going to be around this vicinity right here as to where that market support is being seen in Cardano. Okay, so we got our range. $1.50 is going to be acting as support. It may even be around, $1.30 as support into the market in Cardano. But we're going to hold it closer to where price currently is. Okay, so right now, the market in Cardano got walloped. It did get hit with a lot of selling over the last three-day price bars, but everyone saw that as an opportunity. Everyone saw fit that Cardano was cheap around $1, $1.20, $1.40, that they came in and consumed up this currency. So this is a nice support area into the market in Cardano, right? Going forward, there's enough market demand, enough market interest that propped up the price. So going forward, this is going to be the cushion. This is going to be the bounce that we need to see the market in Cardano hold $1 all the way up there to $1.50. That's our new basis, right? That's our new baseline long term in order for this market in Cardano to go higher in price. 5-day time frame, you guys can see here that I don't think we're out the woods yet. Okay, I don't think that the market in Cardano is ready to break out, continue to go up higher and higher in price. Not yet, because we still got a lot of that weakness being revealed into the market in Cardano. Okay, so just like our last video that we've done for graph, I think that this market in Cardano still has some weakness that it needs to clean out, right? It needs to clean out house. It needs to try to get all this weakness out of this particular space, and right now it's not gone. So let's look at the market on an hourly time frame. This is the 15-hour time frame into the market in Cardano. And as you all can tell, we just simply found a support area from that massive weakness that came through, and we came back up. So now the question is, can we continue to see this market go higher, or would you expect us to go lower in price? So let's break this down to a smaller hourly time frame. So you can see right here that the market in Cardano is not extremely weak. It's not, which is why we identified $1.50 as that area of support. Yes, the market has been unsuccessful right now at breaking price above $1.80, but that doesn't mean in the next 3 or 4 days that it won't be successful. As a matter of fact, I'm still looking for this market in Cardano to try to give us some higher price movement. Now, if we get rejected a second time at $1.80, $1.85, then we will go lower. So on this prediction, we are going to anticipate higher price movement, but we're not going to be overly bullish. We're not going to be one of those type of YouTubers that tell you, oh, in the next couple of months, we're going to expect the market in Cardano to hit $50, right? That's outlandish. That's not feasible in the sense of what the market has currently endured over the last couple of trading days. But we can still make bank. We can still make money in this market in Cardano, even though we're only expecting it to try to give us slight price movement up, $1.80, $1.85 initially into the market in Cardano. Okay, so let's do this real quick. Let's run this price prediction into the market in Cardano. We're going to go ahead and play this strength into the market here, and our nearest term support area, in order for us to see this market go higher, needs to be above $1.60. Okay, the market in Cardano needs to hold $1.60. We've already got a pretty good baseline order around $1.50, so I will still be cool to see the market in Cardano break $1.60 to the downside and hit $1.50 for support. Now, what I've shown you on the hourly time frame, I told you that 180 185 is the closest area of restriction we can see into the market in Cardano. So we need to take the profit out the market in Cardano once the market shows us more weakness there, because that is the closest area of restriction. So we got to play the market understanding that right before the market drops, we need to take the bag. We need to make sure we walk out the store with our profits right before the market collapses or goes lower. All right. So we would TP the market around $1.80, $1.85, which will give us around almost 5% in the market in Cardano. And I'm going to bring it up slightly because we do have the probability of the market in Cardano breaking $1.80 to the upside and getting closer towards $1.95, $2 over the next 3 or 4 days. So this is how we're going to play this prediction into the market for Cardano or ADA. This is our play right here. We're in position. We're in anticipating mode for this market in Cardano to continue to go higher in price. We've talked about it. We told you where our support areas are at. We told you where our TP areas are at in the market in Cardano. So now it is your turn. You have to learn how to call the market for yourself, right? You need to anticipate price movement so that you can dominate the market and take the money from everyone else. This is the community that we are building. You know, we want to be a force in the market to get ahead of the game and profit. So take the opportunity out right now in the comment section and tell me, where do you all expect the market price in Cardano to go over the next 3 days or 4 days? Where do you think the price is going to be? This is our anticipation right there. And also tell me if you think those 3 reasons that Charles mentioned to Yahoo Finance as to why it is better than Ethereum and Ethereum 2.0. Just let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, you need to trade different.